Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a short video explaining complete details about our CMA Inter 16th regular batch which is going to commence shortly. My dear students, I am recording this video on 31st January 2021. That means whatever the information that I am going to share in this video is based on information available as on today. So now coming to CMA Inter 16th regular batch. This is our 16th regular batch, my dear students. We have already completed 14 regular batches of CMA Inter and 15th regular batch is currently running. My dear students, 16th regular batch will commence within 3 days of announcement of CA Foundation results. Why we are linking CMA Inter regular batch with that of CA Foundation results? Because there will be some students who may not be able to qualify CA Foundation, but they will be able to qualify CMA Foundation. Such students may try to shift from CA course to CMA course and will be willing to join CMA Inter. That's why we will be waiting till the announcement of CA Foundation results, and after announcement of CA Foundation results, within 3 days we will be commencing our CMA Inter 16th regular batch. The duration of the coaching is 7 months. That is, we are going to give a detailed coaching for CMA Inter. On each day, we will be conducting classes for 10 to 11 hours a day, and coaching will be available in Guntur as well as all our branches. We have branches in Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Vizag, Kurnool, Nellore, Tirupati, Ameerpet and Dilshuk Nagar of Hyderabad. In all these branches, CMA Inter regular batch coaching is available. So total number of hours in which coaching will be provided, 1500 to 1700 hours. It shows what sort of detailed coaching that we are giving. Since this is a regular batch, it will take this much of time to explain all the concepts in a detailed manner. Why I am calling this regular batch means you are taking coaching for the first time. My dear students, we have a policy of teaching all the concepts in a detailed manner. For example, if you take theory subjects, we will be explaining on line-to-line basis. There will be two types of batches. One is complete physical batch, in which we will be conducting all the classes physically. You need to attend the classes physically, and there will be one more batch, that is complete online batch. In case of complete online batch, classes will be conducted through Zoom platform. Students can choose either to join in complete physical batch or in complete online batch. If you ask me personally, my choice is complete physical batch. So while attending online classes, you might have observed that your attention levels will be very poor and your concentration will also be very poor. Your preparation will be good in the college campus rather than at home. That's why I personally prefer complete physical batch. If you have any health concerns, then you can choose complete online batch. But my dear students, please don't worry about COVID-19. The number of cases are coming down like anything. As on today, around 5,000 students have already reported and attending the classes physically in our Guntur branch. That's why, my dear students, you need not worry. So complete online batch will be conducted only if we get reasonable number of admissions, my dear students. Of course, as far as physical batch is concerned, we will be conducting it irrespective of the number of admissions. So in Guntur, we will run both CMA Inter 16th regular batch as an exclusive batch. But in case of our branches, we are going to merge the students of CMA Inter as well as CA Inter. As you know, 90% of the syllabus of CMA Inter will get matched with CMA Inter. So first we will merge the students of CA Inter and CMA Inter and will finish the syllabus. After that, whatever the 10% areas which are there in CMA Inter, that means the 10% areas which don't get covered in CA Inter, we will provide video lectures for those classes, for those 10% classes. And students can watch those video lectures at their convenient time. Students who have qualified CMA Foundation in the recent results or in earlier results can join in this CMA Inter 16th regular batch. Some students who are unable to qualify CA Foundation but who are able to qualify CMA Foundation can convert to CMA Inter. Same rule will apply even to SSB students. That means SSB students who were unable to qualify CA Foundation but who are able to qualify CMA Foundation can convert from CA to CMA and can join to CMA Inter regular batch by paying some nominal amount of additional conversion charges. SSP students who have already attended a coaching for CA Inter can also convert to CMA Inter by paying the requisite nominal amount of fee. Now coming to our faculty, we have a best team of faculty for giving coaching for CA, CMA as well as CA Inter. So totally there are 8 papers in CMA Inter, but all those 8 papers will be dealt by 11 to 12 faculty members. Each and every faculty in our team is either qualified CA or CMA or a subject expert with rich experience. Majority of them are qualified CMA or dual qualified. So majority of our faculty members have already qualified CMA first and then they are teaching to you. That means, so CMA qualified candidates will be teaching CMA Inter classes. For each subject we have specialized faculty. Some subjects will be taught even by multiple faculties so as to give you the benefit of specialization. Experience of each faculty in our team ranges from 6 to 10 years. Based on this, you can understand what sort of experience our faculty team is having. Each of the faculty members have been teaching CMA Inter with us from the past several years. About our materials, Masterminds is extremely popular for its material. You may not be able to see Masterminds students across the India, but you can definitely see across the India various students who are following Masterminds material. We have a policy of providing updated materials for each and every batch of CMA Inter, and we are following the same policy for this batch also. We will provide you the most updated edition of materials for all the subjects and to all the students. We have started updating our material work around 2 to 3 months back itself. We are still working on the same, and we will provide the updated material chapter wise as we are still working on the same, and each and every material will be verified by me, that is our academic advisor. We will not provide any hard copies of material. We will arrange soft copies only, and students need to arrange Xerox copies of the same on their own. This policy will apply for students of complete online batch. For the students of complete physical batch, we will provide hard copies of materials. You need not worry. Of course, students who are attending complete physical batch need to pay some additional fee for materials also. Examinations that we conduct. With respect to examinations, Masterminds is very unique. I have come across numerous number of institutions who don't even conduct any examinations. When an institution does not conduct any examinations to you, how can you get the requisite practice to face the public exam? That's why we have a strict policy of conducting numerous number of exams. We'll be conducting chapter end examinations at the end of each chapter, and we'll be conducting those examinations on every Sunday. So revision exams after completion of syllabus. After completion of syllabus, we'll be conducting revision exams. Of course, we'll be charging some additional nominal fee for attending these revision exams. Masterminds is extremely popular for these revision exams. You cannot believe at CA final level, every batch, for every 6 months, more than 2,000 students will be taking admission to us only for attending study hours and revision exams. Doubts clarification. When classes are conducting in Zoom platform, in the last 5 minutes, you can directly interact with the faculty and you can clarify your doubts. We are already maintaining a Telegram group for doubts clarification, and you can immediately join in that group. Whether you study in Masterminds or not, you can join in that group. The link of that group is already there in the description of this video. So more than 3,000 students have already joined in the group in a very short span of time. So mode of teaching. So in case of complete physical batch, we'll be conducting classes physically. In case of complete online batch, we'll be teaching classes using Zoom platform. While teaching in Zoom platform, our faculty will teach the classes using touch-enabled laptop for best quality output. Everyone has to use the same platform, that is Zoom. There is no other option in the market. Our experience. So 19 years of experience in CA and CMA courses, 20th year is running now. So we have already finished 14 batches in CMA Inter and 15th batch is running now. We have already finished 135 batches of CA Inter in Guntur and finished similar number of batches in all our branches together. And it's very rare to see an institution of this much experience in CA and CMA courses. Right now we are dealing with more than 150 batches of various courses in Zoom platform. Our achievements in CA or CMA courses. First of all, let me start with CA or CMA final level. Generally, when an institution starts explaining their achievements, they will be starting from foundation level. I'm sorry, We don't start from foundation, we'll be starting from final level. 2000 CA final admissions we got in November 2019 session itself. We have already, each session will be only for 6 months. That means in 6 months of time span, we got 2000 admissions for CA final. That shows the trust and confidence that CA or CMA final students are putting on us. We have already started 24th batch of CA or CMA final regular batch. CA final students are extremely mature and they take decisions in a very calculated manner. So we are proud that we are able to grab the hearts of such students. Our old student Guram Pranit achieved All India first rank in CA final results of November 2019 attempt. So our students have achieved 3 All India first ranks in just 2020 years, in just 2020 year itself. That means in just one single year, 3 students are able to bag 3 All India first ranks. One first rank in CA final level, another first rank in CMA final, and another first rank in CMA inter. And our student has already achieved All India first rank in CMA inter results of August 2019. Our student has already achieved first rank in CMA final results of February 2018. So our student has already achieved first rank in CMA inter results of February 2018. And our student has already achieved first rank in CMA inter results of August 2017. So this is another great achievement of our institution at CA or CMA final level. The photograph that you are seeing is the photographs taken for our CA or CMA final students. It's totally 41 batches. Of course, we were unable to conduct this photo session at our branches, and all these photographs are already uploaded in our Facebook page. You can watch them. And this is another photograph of our CA or CMA inter batches. Totally 61 batches and 61 photographs. And all these photographs are uploaded in Facebook. You can watch the same. Of course, we have conducted these photo sessions only in Guntur but not in our branches. And till now we are able to achieve more than 866 ranks at CA or CMA courses. Of course, we have not included our ranks at MEC or CEC level. These ranks are only at CA or ICAA courses. So we have already achieved first rank for 44 times in various commerce courses for which we offer coaching. And in last 3 attempts, our students are able to bag 180 All India ranks in CA or CMA level. I have seen several institutions who will hardly be able to get 2 to 3 ranks a year. But in our case, in just 3 attempts, our students are able to score 180 All India ranks. 80% of the teaching will be in English medium and 20% will be in Telugu. It is only for the understanding of the students. After few months, we will shift to 100% English. Actually, our faculty are able to teach 100% in English, but in the just initial 1 or 2 months, students need our support for better understanding. Now coming to fee details. So I know that today several students are not bothered about fee, they are more bothered about the quality of education. Compared to our earlier batches, we have drastically reduced the fee. We just want to help the students in this pandemic situation. If CMA inter regular batch students of any of the old batches wants to take admission in this new regular batch, you are welcome. You will be given a huge discount in our fee. If any of the students of any of our old CA inter or IPCC regular batch students want to convert to CMA and want to join for CMA inter regular batch, you are welcome. We will be offering a huge discount for you. Even the students of 43rd regular batch of CA inter can come and join for CMA inter regular batch. Please don't compare the fee alone, my dear students. We will be teaching in a detailed manner for 1500 to 1700 hours. You will not get this kind of detailed coaching in any other institution. So in metros, the same regular batch will be taught in just 1000 hours. Even though they call it as regular batch, they run it in the format of crash batch. In such a case, you will not be getting justified coaching. So that's why please don't compare the fee alone. We are teaching with a team of 11 to 12 faculty members with specialized faculty for each of the subjects. You cannot find this kind of team in any other institution. If you want to compare, then compare even the ranks and other achievements along with fee, my dear students. We offer best coaching which is evident by best results achieved by us. We will provide the latest edition of perfect material which is a very costly affair. Also compare our experience of 19 years in dealing with CA or CMA courses. So we take personal care on each and every student. When we say personal care, we literally mean that. So all our directors will be directly interacting with the students. All the mobile numbers of all our directors will be shared with you directly, and we have been doing this from the beginning, and you can even send a message to directors or make a phone call to them. So I am the academic advisor of this institution. You can directly make a call to me or message to me. My mobile number is 9248733348 and my mail ID is mssprakash2012@gmail.com. You can even contact me through my Facebook ID. My Facebook ID is Prakash Mattupalli and Prakash Mattupalli 2. You can contact me through this through Facebook Messenger also. So for latest updates and information, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Masterminds for CA. Various information is already provided in the description of this video. Please do watch and also press bell icon so that you can receive latest notification about all latest updates immediately. Please do follow our Facebook and Instagram channels with the name Masterminds for CA. And my dear students, I am recording this video on 31st January and whatever the information I have shared in this video is the status as on 31st January 2021. And I hope that all the students have liked this video and I have given enough information with respect to CMA Inter 16th regular batch. Take a wise decision and join with Masterminds. All the best, my dear students.